Latest crypto and NFT news. Nas NFT drop, earn royalty through music streaming. Fans have always actively participated in streaming music to fund their favorite artists, but have they gotten anything in return? Nas and Royal present a revolutionary NFT project that gives supporters royalty rights over music. Black women in tech to debut NFTs for Web3 career empowerment. Global Tech Advocates Black Women in Tech is launching an NFT collection this Thursday on Delishi to support and empower young girls for career empowerment in the Web3 space. Grease Monkey Games and Nissan to debut virtual experience with utility. Grease Monkey Games, a subsidiary of Animoca Games, has partnered with Nissan Motor Company Japan for the motorsport game Torque Drift 2, a metaverse platform built on the Polygon blockchain. Norwegian authorities to launch Metaverse tax office in Decentraland. In a recent Nokios conference, Brano Asundregistrin, the Central Register, and Skatteetaten, the tax authorities, announced they will be opening a tax office in Decentraland. Visit our website for more news.